It is a 2-box break of Star Wars Archive Signature Series. There's 17 spots and 2 hits. And this is our 2 hits coming up out of this box break. And here you can see a little code. Make some videos you can find on YouTube. Let's get to the random. We've got 2 lists we're going to randomize. First one right here, 7 times a piece for both lists. And we'll stack the lists up side by side. That's how you'll get your checklist character or actor or actress. Big names come out of here, so we're looking for some of the biggest names through the saga. There's the lucky number 7, and the first random is finished. Here we go. Let's get ready for a big hit. 7 times through. Use the force. Do whatever you can do. Do whatever you can do to get a big hit. 6. Lucky number 7. Okay, so wow, Harrison Ford's going to go to that number 1 spot. Owner of the number 1 spot. Hayden Christensen, 111. His signature is really rare. He has not signed a lot. All right, so Arturo with Harrison Ford. Let's go on down the list here. And you can just see all the different signers. There's a big one for you, City Goat. Hey, Mr. Depend On. There's a big one right there, Daisy Ridley for City Goat. We're just going to scroll on down this list here, and you can spot some of the other big ones as we get ready for the box break. Good luck. Well, yeah, wouldn't that be great? Chad A has the Hayden Christensen. Good luck, everyone. Hit number 1 coming out of the box break is Star Wars Archive Signature Series is going to be... Oh, what's it going to be? Here we go. Wow. What a way.
I told her about how good this stuff was going to be.
What a way to start things off in the box break. You know, we're just talking about how his is a rare autograph to get. And I can remember who has this. It was spot 111. I mean, it's one of the premier autographs of the product. I don't even have to use the controlled search feature. It was Chad A who had this spot. We've been talking about this autograph.
Yeah, that's great.
That is a huge hit. Gold ink signature. Wow. He has not signed in a lot of previous products. He has not signed. And so this is a great autograph to get. You can see the stamp. And no doubt you can see the stamp. This comes originally, it was in I'm not sure which year this was originally.
Revenge of the Sith, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a Star Wars Revenge of the Sith tops, but I'm not sure which year this originally came out of, but it is it's now in archives and it's a great item to get. That is really nice. That is terrific.
Yeah, Chad, that is a mega monster. Good for you, bro. Chad to hit that. Chad ATX.
That is terrific, man. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Hit number one. Just really going to be hard to top that. Hit number one. Let's see what else comes out of here. Oh, my.
A pretty good start, bud.
No kidding. A redemption. Riz Ahmed buyback autograph.
Rogue One, I think.
Is this a Rogue One auto? Let's see. Let's find out. Riz Ahmed is this one's going to go to Arturo.
Bodie Rook, that's a real.
Bodie Rook.
Jeez. That's a real good freaking break.
Congratulations, Arturo. This is signature series, man. We're getting some big hits coming out of here. No kidding. Both of these are really big hits to have come out of the break. Riz Ahmed. My, oh my. Oh yeah, I had to look because I couldn't think of the character, but he is like a main character in the movie. The the actor who played a very significant role in Rogue One. Yeah, that's right. So yeah, those are great hits coming out of the box break. That is just epic, man. What an epic box. And we're looking forward to more of this coming up. So I just can't wait to see what else is going to pop out. Incredible. It's like a featured hit in the product, man. And we'll have more great stuff popping out in the next Archives 2-box break. That is great.